What if you could easily quantify treatment plan quality based on your clinic's priorities, goals, and objectives?
Now you can with Quality Reports, a unique solution that fills critical gaps in radiation oncology.
Quality Reports allows you to customize, then automate the content of your treatment plan reports using the metrics you want to deliver the information you need in less time and with less effort. And it works with all treatment planning systems and modalities.
Now you can design your own protocols or download industry standards and use them to generate powerful metrics for every plan. Quality Reports does automatically what we used to have to do with homemade spreadsheets. It saves a lot of time and ensures accuracy. So instead of looking up dozens of DVH points, with one click, you now have that complete treatment plan report.
Quality Reports is also a great way to do peer reviews and chart rounds. It's accessible anywhere, vendor independent, and there's no need to tie up treatment planning systems.
Now you can streamline and standardize the electronic plan documentation. Then use those same methods to assess new technologies, tease out best practices, study comparative effectiveness, and implement continual improvement.
It's a vital component of your quality management system. It mitigates risk and helps drive out variability. Quality Reports is the missing link to better patient outcomes.